Welcome back to my video. I am Shannon Glam, and yes babies, what you're looking at is the Lady Gaga Grammys makeup look here. Without any further ado, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more celebrity makeup looks, and of course follow me on all my social medias, and let's get right into the video.
It's getting sharp, there's something greater than ourselves. We must reach for.
Hey guys, so today we're going to accomplish the Lady Gaga Grammy look, and if you guys notice her eyebrows, they were super natural. They weren't like tattooed on, so we're going to definitely go in light with these three products that you see here. We want the eyeshadow to stay for a long time and to be super intense. So what we're gonna need is this Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is basically gonna allow the eyeshadow to stay on just a little bit longer. This set is literally a lifesaver because we use every single product that is in here. Look how cute this eyeshadow is, oh my gosh. So we're gonna go in first with the lighter color, and then with the darker color, we're just gonna create a little bit of a shadow that you see there, just a super light smoky eye. Then we're gonna go in with the brown right on the lid. When you're adding eyeshadow to the lid, I definitely suggest that you guys use a flat brush because it literally just packs all the eyeshadow in and you could get a more intense look. Next up, we're gonna go in with our Jaclyn Hill palette and a smaller brush with the color Beam, just to add a little bit of more pop underneath that eyebrow area. Remember when I was literally hooked on the Colorina eyeliner? Well, this one is just as good, but actually a little better because it has the liner for your cat eye, but it also has the liner to do your inner eyes. So it's like a double win. Basically, we're gonna do the super dramatic cat eye that you've ever seen in your life. And just when you think you got it, just add a little bit more so it could be a little thicker. We literally can't make this stuff up, guys. Look at this swatch. It is so beautiful. This is a shimmer eyeshadow, so we're just gonna add it to the lid to create a little bit of more shimmer, duh. Next up, we're gonna go in with the Ardell Double Up Wispies. These are like, oh my gosh, they're so nice. It's literally natural but dramatic at the same time. It has such a soft look, but it's also full and volumizing. Go use these, like tell them that I sent you. At the Grammys, Lady Gaga had the most natural finish. It looks so nice. She had the most dramatic cat eye, but her skin, it looks so nice. It literally looked natural. So I'm just gonna go on with one layer of foundation. If you girls decide to go more dramatic for this look or for another look, remember you can always add on the layers to complete that look. Now, Lady Gaga's face, like the bone structure, everything is just so perfect, literally perfect. So we're gonna go a little bit more darker on the contour, add a little bit more than she did. Next up, we're gonna add a little bit of blush, and the blush that I've currently been using is the Milani Baked Blush. It's so beautiful. You guys should definitely try it out because the formula is bomb. Now, if you wanna cut that contour, you could definitely go in with a Morphe blender, but if you don't have the Morphe blender and you don't have the money, just use your regular one, but I just think that this one makes it a lot easier. This is actually the first time that I used the Anastasia Summer Highlighter on camera or ever in real life. And these colors are super intense, exactly what I wanted out of this palette. Okay, I always do underneath the eye after I finish doing the complete face because before, when I would put on my concealer, it would just erase that eyeshadow that I placed. But anyways, we're gonna go in with two colors. We're gonna go in with a brown from the NYX Cosmetics palette, and then we're gonna go in with black from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Abyss. And this is gonna give it a smoky look and basically connect the eyeshadow that I placed on the top with the eyeshadow on the bottom. This is now the moment of the hour, the moments we all been waiting for. Pack on all that glitter, boo-boos, just all that glitter. And just when you thought it was enough, just pack on like 5 layers more. This is literally my new favorite lip combo. These colors look so nice on the lips together, and the consistency of the matte lipstick is literally perfect. I later on add the Buxom Amanda shade because I just like a more glossy look, but this combination is so nice. And we're going for that dewy look, so we're just gonna spray on our little Tasha Dewy Skin Mist. And oh, I just forgot one thing, the mascara. We're just gonna put it on the lower lash line, and then we are all done, boo-boos, ready to go to the Grammys. I especially loved doing this makeup look because look at all the brillo that it has. Brillo, sparkles. This makeup look is so freaking nice. I'm definitely gonna shout out here Lady Gaga's makeup artist. Thank you so much for creating this and basically inspiring us makeup artists to, keep on pushing. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and tell me what celebrity makeup do you guys want me to do next. Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Who was sad to see that Despacito did not win? It was the most streamed song out of 2017. Like, come on. But it's okay because it still went to a Boricua. Watch out for real man. Watch out for.